Welcome to Worth Kart, where we explore the latest tech, test real performance, and simplify specs so you can make smarter tech choices. Today we're taking a look at the Keychron Q6 Ultra 8K polling rate wireless mechanical keyboard, a premium full-size mechanical keyboard designed for enthusiasts, professionals, and gamers who want top-tier performance, customization, and build quality. If you're wondering whether this keyboard is actually worth the price, how its specifications translate into everyday use, and why so many mechanical keyboard fans are talking about it, you're in the right place. I've added a link below where you can check the latest price and availability. The Keychron Q6 Ultra immediately stands out thanks to its full CNC machined aluminum body. Unlike plastic keyboards, the aluminum construction gives the keyboard a premium feel, excellent durability, and added stability on the desk. Weighing over 2 kilograms, it stays firmly in place even during intense typing or gaming sessions. One of the headline features is the ultra-fast 8000 Hz polling rate in wired mode. Most standard keyboards operate at 1000 Hz, meaning they report key presses to the computer every millisecond. With an 8000 Hz polling rate, the Q6 Ultra reduces input latency to as little as 0.125 milliseconds. For competitive gamers, that means faster response times and more immediate input registration. The keyboard supports 3 connection modes: wired USB-C, low-latency 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth. This flexibility allows users to switch seamlessly between desktop PCs, laptops, tablets, and even smartphones. Bluetooth connectivity supports multiple paired devices, making it easy to move between work and personal devices without reconnecting cables. Another major advantage is hot-swappable switch support. The included Silk POM banana switches provide a smooth tactile typing experience, but because the keyboard is hot-swappable, users can easily replace switches without soldering. This opens the door to nearly endless customization options. The full-size layout includes a dedicated number pad, function row, navigation cluster, and media controls. For professionals working with spreadsheets, finance software, data entry, programming, or productivity applications, having access to every key can significantly improve workflow efficiency. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, consider giving the video a quick like. RGB lighting is fully customizable through Keychron software, allowing users to personalize effects, brightness levels, colors, and macros. Whether you prefer subtle white backlighting for office work or vibrant RGB effects for gaming setups, the keyboard offers extensive flexibility. Battery performance is equally impressive. The large internal battery is designed to support extended wireless use between charges, making it practical for users who prefer a clean, cable-free workspace. Compatibility is another strong point. The Q6 Ultra works with Mac, Windows, and Linux systems right out of the box. Keychron even includes keycaps for both Mac and Windows layouts, making switching between operating systems simple and convenient. What really separates the Q6 Ultra from standard mechanical keyboards is its enthusiast-level construction. Features like gasket mounting, premium acoustic materials, hot-swappable sockets, PBT keycaps, and an aluminum chassis create a refined typing experience that feels substantially more premium than typical office keyboards. So how do these specifications translate into real-world use? For gamers, the 8K polling rate and low-latency wireless connectivity deliver exceptional responsiveness. For professionals, the full-size layout and multi-device connectivity improve productivity. For keyboard enthusiasts, the hot-swappable design and premium construction provide a highly customizable platform. If you're looking for a premium mechanical keyboard that combines 8K polling performance, wireless flexibility, hot-swappable switches, RGB customization, and a premium aluminum build, the Keychron Q6 Ultra stands out as one of the most feature-packed full-size keyboards available today. Thanks for watching Worth Kart. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.